In this video, we're going to show you how to get from the Undead Burg bonfire to the Blacksmith bonfire located just off of the Undead Parish. It's always a good idea to be careful when fighting next to these skinny ledges. Don't want to get pushed off. Here, I'd wait here and let the rats come out to you. There's a third one inside there. You don't want to get overwhelmed. Take out the last rat. And head up the ladder. If you have any fire bombs, now is the time to make sure those are equipped. There's a armored tusk ahead. Which the fire bombs will come in handy for. Now, if you can get the armored tusk to run at you and stop in that fire, he will take damage just standing there in the fire, which helps a lot. Because of him being heavily armored, he does not take a whole lot of damage from normal weapons. So the fire does help. One more. He doesn't want to come down, so we'll go up. It is possible, if you're having trouble with the armored tusk, to run up there and just drop down and completely run by him. It is not required that you kill him. Grab the mystery key, which will come in handy a little bit later. Don't forget to grab the soul out on the beam. continue on up. Through the fog gate. There is a shield to the right, but it is not as good as the spider shield that you already have. I think from here, we're just going to go ahead and run through the guys. Close call. And once you hear the banging sound, you know you're close. And here we are at the bonfire.